Are you not receiving Netflix movie notifications anymore on your phone? Worry not, as in this video, we will get this sorted. First, check whether you have enabled notifications for new title releases in the Netflix app. Here's how to look for that. Open the Netflix app on your iPhone or Android. Tap on the My Netflix tab at the bottom right corner and tap on Notifications to see the ones you might have missed. Tap on New and Hot and select Remind Me to enable the notification for the title of your choice. Try clearing the cache for the Netflix app to see if the issue gets resolved. Please note that this is an Android-only process. Long tap on the Netflix icon and tap on the small I icon. Now tap on Storage and Cache and tap on Clear Cache. Restart the phone and see if the issue gets resolved. Hopefully, these fixes help you resolve the Netflix notification issue on your mobile devices. For more tech tips and tricks like these, subscribe to Guiding Tech and discover one of these videos, handpicked just for you.